So, in today's video, we'll learn how YouTube calculates the revenue for monetized content. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you find this helpful. Let's do this if you're ready. To understand YouTube revenue calculations, we need to understand two parameters. Their niche and geography. Niche is the category under which you create your videos. For example, sports, video games, photography, or music. Geography, on the other hand, determines how much a video will make per 1,000 views. This means if your viewers are from big economic areas like the United States, United Kingdom, Canada, etc., you'll earn more revenue than those of smaller economies. That brings us to CPM and RPM. CPM means cost per mille, and it's the amount advertisers pay to YouTube. YouTube keeps 45% and pays the content creator 55%. For example, the CPM for Make Money Online niche is $13.52, so 55% will be calculated as 55% divided by 100% multiplied by $13.52. The answer will be $7.44, and that's what we call RPM, which means revenue per mille. This is how YouTube calculates revenue for monetized channels. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe.